Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your pharmacy assistant. On this occasion, we will talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, I'm your host for today, and we're going to dive into everything you need to know about ketoconazole, a medication that might be more important than you think. Let's get started. Ketoconazole is an antifungal medication primarily used to treat fungal infections. It works by stopping the growth of fungi, which treats infections on your skin, nails, and even internal organs in more serious cases. If you're dealing with conditions like athlete's foot, dandruff, or even a yeast infection, your doctor might prescribe you ketoconazole. It's also used for more severe cases like systemic fungal infections, but that's usually managed under strict medical supervision. How does it work, you ask? Ketoconazole messes with the cell membranes of fungi, which affects their ability to grow and multiply. Think of it like cutting off the enemy's supplies in a seed. As for dosage and administration, it's crucial to follow your doctor's instruction. Ketoconazole can be found in various forms, including creams, tablets, and shampoos. The dosage depends on the type and severity of the infection. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Ketoconazole can have side effects. The most common ones include nausea, headaches, and in some cases, a change in hair texture or skin irritation. It's important to contact your healthcare provider if you experience any severe reactions or liver-related issues. As for precautions, make sure to avoid alcohol and inform your doctor about any other medications you're taking, as ketoconazole can interact with many other drugs. To wrap up, ketoconazole is a powerful tool against fungal infections when used correctly. Always follow your doctor's guidance and be aware of the potential side effects. Stay healthy and safe. Thanks for tuning in, and take care.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.